Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have negative cotx ds. Because we don't have the negative side in here, so I will put this one go to the left. This one we change by u. Cotx ds we change by negative du. The integration of u, we have u square over 2, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. Now let's go to the second one. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to ln of secant of s. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have tan s ds. Next, this one we change by u. Tan s ds we change by du. And now we have the final answer. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.